fantastic last 500 points rally for the Nifty. 24,500 or 400 is where we were almost a week or back, for the index. And I think from there we've now climbed up about the 25,000 mark. A fantastic move coming out from the banking index, the Bank Nifty, which I believe is the hallmark or the differentiating point of this rally. And over the last few days, we've also seen some bit of short covering coming across into other weaker sectors, like the IT stocks. Yesterday showed signs of very good pickup, especially the large cap IT names. You saw some short covering, traces of short covering coming back into the real estate pack, where the likes of DLF, etc., started to pick up in terms of price action. So that could be another pocket to look out for. Even though I think yesterday, if you look at the net advance decline ratio, it was still not in extreme favor of advances. It was still, I think, in favor of declines. So that indicates that the action is more limited towards large caps and the indices. Net, we've broken past about the 25,000 mark. We've also broken past about the 55,000 plus for the Bank Nifty. Both of these are very strong psychological as well as round figure breakouts. And typically we've seen that whenever the index scales past about one psychological hurdle at the start or the first week of the expiry, there is a higher confidence or sentiment built up, which happens to take the index back towards the higher level. So I would expect now, gradually over the next 1 to 2 weeks, we should be looking at 25,500 as the target for the Nifty.
Okay, and Kunal, what stocks would you actually pick to best trade this momentum?
So there are fresh breakouts which are happening. SBI Cards is one of them. The stock, we don't discuss the stock that often, but I think at 900 levels, the stock is confirming a classic bullish flag formation breakout, and that too after a consolidation of almost 2 to 3 weeks in terms of price action. So would look out for targets in the range of 925 for SBI Cards, stop loss to be kept at 888. Paytm is the other stock which has gone through a V-shaped recovery. I think from 1,099 or 1,100, the stock has come back about the 1,200 mark. Excellent recovery for the stock, retracing back almost 50% and more of the losses the stock had shown in the prior corrective phase. So that's another name which I would be bullish on from current levels. 1,280 is where I would expect the near-term target, stop us at 1,200.
All right, we'll continue this conversation on